Hey guys, it's Monday evening. This is BW. I'm back out in the garage. Listen, I spent most of the weekend working down that house and even a little bit tonight. So I wanted to come home. I took a shower, relaxed for a little bit. I wanted to come out to the garage and do something fun. You guys all know our door that we have for the display on our live that the wife does a lot of paintings on. Well, I'm going to make a plexiglass window and put it in there so that we can start having sticker exchanges like we talked about on our last live. It'll be a lot of fun. We'll be able to put a lot of different people's garage symbols up there so that everybody can see them and display them proudly. So why don't you stick around and check us out. Okay guys, well, I laid our display door down and I put a piece of plexiglass on it. Right now I'm just going to mark out, and I want to cut these two radiuses on the top and this long section down here. Then we'll kind of fit the plexiglass in and see how we have to move it around from there. We'll try to do some minimal cuts. We'll see what happens. We don't really have to worry about the length too much because it can go down in the door a little bit. But we want to be kind of tight in here where I could throw some screws in to hold it tight. This is going to be fun. Alright guys, well, attempt one was a failure. Let me show you. I'm in maintenance at my job, so I'm used to working with Lexan. We use just a regular old jigsaw to cut that stuff with because it's super strong. This stuff from Lowe's is just like a real cheap plastic. As soon as I put the saw and started going, it just started cracking and breaking in a whole bunch of places, and well, it didn't work out too good. It's still okay. It's going to still be behind here, but what I'm going to have to do is for these radiuses, I'm going to try to use a grinder cut wheel. Hopefully that works. I'm going to try it on the scrap piece over here first, just make a cut. As you guys can see, it just shatter broke. But I promise the stuff I work on at work doesn't do that. I guess I got to pay better attention. Guys, well, I just trimmed at it a little bit and it seems like it's going to be all right. I think the trick's going to be not scratching it up whenever I take the protective cover off. This stuff is brittle, man, but it's going to have to work. It's going to be our nice little window. I think I'm going to try to use one of these popsicle sticks that we use for painting that pop up in here to just kind of clip it here at the top to hold it. It's in pretty tight. I don't think it's going to move. So let me take this stuff off and pop that popsicle stick in there, and then we'll see if it works. So I'm so afraid I'm going to crack this because it's so brittle. I mean, let me show you guys real quick. I mean, from when I first tried, I got a couple little splinter cracks inside here. So I don't want to fool with that no more. I'm going to use the wife's glue gun. I'm just going to put a couple spots of glue down there. I started to drill a hole here, and it's a little too shady. So I'll glue it in. I'll be back in a minute. It's like whatever works, right? This is for fun. Alright guys, the window's installed. We got a couple little spots of glue along there. Alright, put a couple little sticks up here to hold it. I even plopped a little bit of glue there. They wedged in, but I plopped a little glue so they won't move. So let me put it up. All right, guys, well, we got the wind in, nice and solid, huh? Take a look at it. So there it is, our little artsy window door. Put a nice good window in there. I guess at some point we're gonna have to move our neon BW sign as we fill this up, but we got enough room for right now. The very first sticker we're gonna put on came from Herb and Alicia down there at Lovett Speed Shop in Kentucky. Doing a 4 to 2-door conversion right now. Got a great show going on. They're great people. I recommend you check them out. So we're gonna stick that one on there right now. All right. Go on the ladder there, and we'll get up on there. We'll put it in the upper. Right. Okay, that's the first one we got in there. All right, let's check it out, guys. Down off here. There you go. That's our first sticker. All right. Now, Turlo said he's sending me one. Turlo's Garage. Andy's Doghouse is going to send us one. If any of you guys got a shop sticker and you want it on the door, check my email. It's in the About section on the homepage, and shoot me an email. We'll exchange information, and we'll do what we can to get it on here until it's filled up. But don't fret, once it's filled up, I got another door out in the shed that's going to get painted up. So that's pretty cool, and I think we're going to go with that. So let me get back to you guys in just one second. All right, guys, well, we didn't get anything done on the car tonight, but we still had a good time out in the garage. I only had an hour, hour and a half, so we made this window, and we had fun doing it. Now we got somewhere to display everybody's stickers that wants to participate, and you can look at them on Friday Night Live, right? Which reminds me, the stickers I had professionally made finally came in, all right? They're from Sticker Mule. They're a very good quality sticker, and we're going to start giving these away on our Friday Night Lives, all right? We can't do a shirt every week, guys. I'd be in the poorhouse, but these are really nice. So we'll be doing these this Friday night, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time on our live every Friday night. It's my favorite thing to do, talk to you guys about car stuff. But anyway, I figured, I looked and I seen we're doing pretty good. We got a lot of subscribers in the past month and a half. Well, a lot for us, man. We're up over 654, I think, right now. So that's pretty exciting for me. So we have this product giveaway, and I figured I should do an update on it now that we got more people. This is a 20-inch all-steel toolbox. We're giving it away when we get to 1,000 subscribers. It has a custom paint job on it from my wife. It's done in the pinstriping, one-shot pinstripe paint, so it's very durable. It's a good job she's doing for it. It's nice little Mr. Horsepower. It's going to look like this one she's done. I mean, she still has to do the cigar and stuff like that, but you know, it has to be about 70 degrees for her to finish it up. If we have to finish it in the house, she will, but it's a little stinky. You guys should know if you ever dealt with one-shot paint. But that's the toolbox, and we're giving that away when we reach 1,000 subscribers randomly to somebody. You know, it's like a $40 box, no big deal, but this makes it kind of special. You know, comes from our shop, you know, to you. And it's something you could proudly display in the back of your hot rod or your man cave or your she shed for that matter. So I just wanted to put that out there that we have that, and I figured it was time to do a quick update on it and let everybody know, the new subscribers know that yes, we have a 1,000 giveaway prize ready to go. And I hope to get there soon. All right, well, I'm going to put this video up just for fun, and I'll see you guys Friday night. Take care, everybody.